If you're seeing a payment not completed message on the App Store when trying to download paid or free apps or games, then don't worry, we're going to show you how to fix it. This issue can be caused by problems with your Apple ID payment methods or App Store settings. Here's how to resolve it. Solution 1. Check your payment method. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select Payment and Shipping. Check your payment methods. Make sure that the payment method on file is valid even for free apps. If not, update or add a new payment method. Also tap on Billing Address. Make sure to add valid billing address as well. Solution 2. Sign out and back into your Apple ID. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone. Sign back in with your Apple ID. Once signed back in, try downloading the app again. Solution 3. Clear App Store cache. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap App Store. Scroll down. Tap Personalized Recommendation. Tap Clear App Usage Data. After that, restart the App Store. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Note that this will not delete your data but will reset system settings. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the payment not completed error when trying to download free apps on the App Store. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.